Hey, what's up, guys? I'm very excited to announce I have a new piece to my studio. This is my little home studio, my little setup or whatnot. My package came in today for my Maschine Mikro. This is the second, I think, the second version of the Micro. Well, I got it in today. Let's see. I got the Micro. I wanted the Mk3, but I decided I was gonna get the Micro just to get familiar with it, you know, because this is gonna be new to me. And I seen a whole bunch of reviews. There was like, and people that's, you know, have the Mk3 in the studio, they were like, you know, this would be good for beginners just to get their feet wet and get to learn the software and all that stuff. And plus, it's $250. And I'd rather do that than invest in $600 and not even like it. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to get this and try it. I am really excited to get to use this. And yeah, let's get out of this package real quick. If I can grab it. There it is, right there. It got a good feel to it. I feel like it got some good build quality. It got a little weight to it. I like that. Let's sit it right over here. I'm excited to get to know that. What else is on that? I think this is envelope, and it looks like stickers and all that type of stuff, and it might be some free software, I hope. And then just to plug it in. You know, that'll be it. I'm gonna come back to it and share some more videos of me actually making beats with it, and hopefully I have fun with it. Oh, my new baby. That's right. Let's get it.